The application form for SEED 2024 is currently open. To fill the form, go to Google and search Symbiosis Institute of Design. The institute page will be shown at the top of SERP. Click on the page link and go to the homepage of SID. The B.Des registration notification will be displayed on the page. Scroll down to find the registration tab. Click on it. As a new user, you will have to register first. So click on the register button. A page displaying terms and conditions will pop up. Carefully go through the page and accept the terms and conditions. You will now be redirected to the registration form. When filling the form, you have to select the program of study and fill in personal, communication, and academic details. Also, upload your photo. Next, click on the Save and Continue button. In this step, you have to select and confirm a password for your candidate account. Next, log into the candidate account to pay the fee and complete the application process. Depending on the course and category selected by you, the fee amount will be displayed. Select your preferred mode and make the payment. Once the payment is successfully done, the application process is complete. Like, share, and subscribe shiksha.com for more such information on SEED or other design entrance exams.